Today, we're going to show you how to mix emulsion. Coming up. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment, even if it's just a hello.
Emulsions that generally require mixing are a dual cure, and they come with a Diazo activator. These emulsions are generally more forgiving, which is great for beginners. They do require longer exposure time. Use a razor blade or a box knife to cut the slots and then pry around the lid until it comes off. Remove the lid to your Diazo activator and then break the seal and pull it off. Be careful not to breathe any of it in. You will then need to fill the Diazo activator container with tap water all the way to the shoulder. While filling the container, be careful because some of the powder can get into the air and you can breathe it in. Once you have filled the container to the shoulder, put the lid back on and give it a good shake. Once the Diazo activator in the water is thoroughly mixed, go ahead and pour it into your emulsion. Use your mixing stick and begin to mix the emulsion with the activator. Just take your time and make sure it mixes thoroughly until it's an even color. Once you are finished mixing the activator into the emulsion, take a paper towel and wipe the rim off. Once activated, the shelf life is about a month to 3 months. So be sure to store it in a cool, dry place.
Right next to the TV. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you're in the market for screen printing supplies or equipment, be sure to use our promo code Mikey Designs at catspitscreenprintsupply.com. You'll get $5 off your purchase and it will help support our channel. Till next time guys, we'll see you later.